Good evening, everybody. This is after I made the video that I'm doing this intro, but as you can see in a minute, started out great today, ended in disaster. So we had a little breakage. I got the GTO out of the garage tonight, which was a lot of fun, and she looks good out of the garage finally after about, I think, 24, 25 months. Anyway, it all looks good. Hope you guys are here for the GTO content, and really happy with the way it came out, the way it's sitting. Got a couple little things done tonight. I had some big plans, but as you will see here in a minute, it all went to hell in a handbasket. So hope everybody's good. Please hit that like button, subscribe, share this video wherever you want to share it, friends, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want to call it. And stay tuned. Hope you like what you see. So we got the old girl out. First time in sunshine in 2.5 years. I think it was 2 years ago February when I put it in there. She's looking good. Gonna finish up the side windows tonight. And then probably load it up and take it over to the other house. So let us know what you think. And while I'm thinking about it, please hit that like and subscribe button. That'll help out with my matrix on YouTube. And please feel free to comment below. I'm trying to grow the channel, trying to make these builds worthwhile. So I hope you guys like it. We're going to do some more of it here this evening as I put some more stuff together on the car. Well, putting the last piece of glass in, and it shattered. So we're on a flip and roll here. Well, thank you again for watching, guys. As you can see, I didn't make much video. I broke the side window glass. I did the rear quarter glass and got that fitting fine. Went to do the driver's door glass, sliding it down. And when I was sliding it down, there's a track that sticks up. And I let it slide too fast, and it hit the corner of that vertical track on the back side of the door, and it just shattered all over the place. So that screwed up my night. I did get a few other things done. I got the side mirror on, got the garage cleaned out, got all the parts sorted out so we can get everything moved over to this house where we are now. But please stay tuned. We'll get some more stuff done on the GTO here shortly. Ordered some more parts today. Had to order a new window, or not a window, the door handle spring in the door handle release is broken on the driver's side, so I didn't get the driver's side completely together. But other than that, making good progress. Should have the exhaust back next week and get this dumb thing started. As you can see, I moved it out. I was pretty proud to get it outside. Reminded me of a couple other things I got to do, like get the traction bars painted. I'm going to leave those on there. Those were what they call day 2 items that were probably put on the car back in the day, and I'm going to get them refinished. I kind of like them. I think they're cool looking. But other than that, please let me know in the comments below what you think of the car. I've got the 17-inch wheels on there. They are offset. They're 275s in the back and 245s in the front, 17 by 9s all the way around. And pretty happy with the way it looks. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Please like, subscribe, follow us. Please, again, as I said in the intro, please share the videos. And thanks to my sponsor tonight, Storm Cycles, my brother's bicycle shop. He doesn't know he's sponsoring it, but I'm going to send him a bill anyway. So stormcycles.com.au. They are in the south end of Brisbane. If you're watching this video and you're in Australia, give them a shout out. Give my brother Terry or my sister-in-law Sheridan a shout and see if they can help you out on your bicycle. It seems to be the e-bikes are the things to do now. But anyway, that's enough about Storm Cycles. We'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one. Thanks.